Hi everyone, EGO here. Today, it is now time to replace the battery in my Delica van with a new one. The battery appeared to be at the end of its lifespan, and although I had installed a battery leakage protector to stop the current from flowing when the vehicle is not in use, the vehicle had trouble starting. I already purchased a brand new battery. In this video, I demonstrate how to properly remove the old battery and install a brand new one. So let's get started. First thing to do is remove the negative cable before removing the battery leakage protector. Next is to remove the positive cable. It is important that I tie the cables here so that I can easily remove the battery without any obstructions. Here I am connecting a new battery terminal connector to the negative cable. This small cable is also attached to the negative terminal of the battery, so I am installing a ring connector. Currently, I'm unboxing the new battery. I purchased the same brand with the same specs as the old one. The battery has terminal seal caps for protection. These caps may be used when repairing your car when it is necessary to cover the battery terminals. The battery has a capacity of 85 ampere hours and a rating of 657 cold cranking amps or CCA. CCA measures how well a battery starts an engine at cold temperatures. Battery charge indicator looks good. Here, I am just comparing the old one with the new one. I also took voltage measurements on the new battery and it seems to be okay at 12.42 volts. It's now time to install the new battery. Here, I removed the temporary tie that held the cables. First step is to connect the positive cable to the positive terminal of the battery. Then connect the negative cable to the negative terminal. So during removal of the battery, disconnect negative first, then positive. During installation of the battery, connect positive first, then negative. Now it's time to test the battery while the engine is running. The initial voltage reading prior to starting the engine is at 12.62 volts. When the ignition key is turned to ACC, the voltage reading decreases, which is normal. Now let's start the engine. The voltage reading here has now reached 13 volts and is increasing. All that this means is that the alternator is normally charging the battery and everything appears to be in good working order. Thank you for watching. It's always fun to learn new stuff. To get more tutorials like this, please feel free to subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.